scroll down from the top, select the gear icon to go to the settings, select device maintenance. And now if you would select battery, you could see without the power saving mode, it would take 1 day and 17 hours for the battery to finish. We got two different types of power saving modes. One is mid, which if you would select would increase your battery life to 2 days and 1 hour. But if you really want to save your battery life, then you could select the max option, which should increase your battery life to 6 days and 5 hours. A quicker way to select power saving mode is by scrolling down from the top, expand the shortcuts until you could see power saving. Now if you would select it, your tablet's or phone's orientation would change to portrait. It will give you some options and summary of the changes. For example, you could allow backward network usage, or you could also disable speed limiter of the CPU speed. You could also adjust the decrease in brightness. But if you're happy with the default options, then simply tap on apply, and then your Android device would start implementing the settings in order to save your battery life. Now the process is completed. Background is changed to black. It shows how many days of battery you got left, and it has rearranged all your apps and has just put in a limited number of essential apps. And then if you tap on the plus sign, you could select any of these apps to be one of your other apps on your home screen. In this way, your battery would last longer, and whenever you want to go back to your normal usage, scroll down from the top and tap on power saving to turn it off. Once again, it would take some time for the apps to be rearranged and the normal settings to be applied, and then you should get your original app options and arrangements. Also, you should be able to now use all your apps again.